This video is basically for some of us who have been on Taker protocol. It's also for those who are interested in joining Taker protocol but they are yet to join. You all will agree with me that Taker recently introduced Sowing, where we will claim diamonds every 3 hours. You can see that at the moment I have 8,200 diamonds only. Every 3 hours you come here and claim your diamond. But there are some tasks under this sewing that when you perform, you'll be able to claim up to 10,000 diamonds instantly. At the moment, I have about 3 pending tasks here that by the time I perform, I'll be able to increase my diamonds and also be able to mine faster. But there is a requirement to this. For instance, if I click on this win rewards here, it's going to take me here. And you'll find out that for me to be able to claim the 10,000 diamonds, I need to follow them on X. I've already followed them on X, but the second requirement, which is the essence of this video, is that I'm supposed to hold 0.001 BTCB. And once I do that, I hold that on my wallet and verify, I'll be able to claim these 10,000 diamonds. How do we now hold this BTCB? That is what I'm going to guide you on how to do now. Let's head over to my Facebook. Let me guide you on how to do it. Right now we're on my Facebook page. This is the step-by-step process. First of all, you need to fund your wallet with $12 worth of Ethereum on Base Network. You can send your $12 worth of Ethereum on Base Network through an exchange to either your MetaMask or your OKX wallet, but it must be the same wallet that you connected your Taker or Sowing account with. They must be the same account. In my own case, I sent from MEX to my MetaMask. Some people will be wondering, are they taking away my $12? No. Your $12 will still be in your MetaMask account, but under BTCB. Now, the second step is that we need to head over to Relay, where we are supposed to bridge the base Ethereum that we sent into our MetaMask into BTCB, that is Bitcoin on BNB Smart Chain. Let's click on it. If you click on this relay, it will bring you here. Now, you connect your wallet. I've already connected my wallet. If you check it, you'll find it here. It's already connected. Ethereum on base here and BTCB on BNB. We'll first of all bridge to BTCB on BNB before heading back to Mason swap to bridge your swap from BTCB on Binance to BTCB on Taker. That is Bitcoin on the Taker chain, because Sowing is under Taker chain. What I need from here, let's check it again, is for me to hold minimum of 0.0001 BTCB. Okay, so let's say I want to hold minimum of 0.0001, let's say 11, or let's say 117. Alright, here we are. So I can easily swap this. So I'll click on swap and I'll confirm in wallet. Successfully swapped. Successfully what? Swapped. So I click on done. Now we are done swapping from Ethereum on base to BTC on Binance Smart Chain. The next thing we're going to do, according to our step here, is to head over to Mason.fi to swap from BTCB to BTC under Taker chain. I'll click on it. Alright guys, I'm on the site where I'm supposed to swap my BTCB under Binance Smart Chain to BTCB under Taker. All I need to do is to click on swap, but before then, make sure that your wallet is already connected. So I'm going to click on swap and I will have to approve it on my wallet. I'll click on approve. So all I've been doing is just to confirm the transactions on my wallet for approval. You can see that every approval has been made. I've been able to sign into my wallet and approve the transactions. The swap is ongoing, is loading. We'll still have to be patient and wait for it. Succeed. You can see that I've succeeded. I've finally been able to swap my BTCB on BNB to BTCB on Taker. Do you know what we're going to do now? We are going to head back to our Sowing to see if we can now claim this particular reward. So here it is. I'll just click on win rewards and let's see where it takes us to. So guys, finally we are back here. Like I said, this particular task has been completed. I followed them on X. So let me now try to verify my wallet to see if I now hold 0.001 BTCB on Taker. I'll now click on verify. It's verifying completed. You can see that the task is completed. I'll now click on claim and possibly verify. Let me now verify. Verify you are human. Yes, I am. Success. I'll click on claim now. It's claiming. Reward claimed successfully. So I've been able to claim 10,000 diamonds. Wow. Just wow. Okay, let me head back here. Let me now see the total number of diamonds that I have. My Taker diamond 8,200. Let me refresh. I'll refresh this so that it can update. I've been able to refresh. Now you can see that I have 18,200 diamonds, and I still have other diamonds to claim. I'm going to claim this remaining 3. Okay, I've claimed this one, is completed. I'm going to claim this remaining 2 now. So that's 20,000 plus the 18,300 that I already have. I'll be having around 30 something thousand. This one is already completed. I can also sign in and claim my normal 3 hours diamonds. Alright guys, that will be all for now. I hope this is clear enough in case you intend to bridge your BTCB on Binance to BTCB on Taker. This is just the step-by-step process. And also be in mind that before you can bridge your BTCB on Binance to BTCB on Taker, you'll also have to pay BNB gas fee. You're going to be paying gas fee for it. Bear in mind before you proceed. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best of luck. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share to your friends so that more people get to see it. Good luck and goodbye for now.